Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you a simple way how you can delete the application in Shopify. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just be in Shopify, and when you're going to be here, you want to just click here, apps, and right here you're going to see your installed application, and you just want to click delete. And you can have feedback, other, or no need anymore, delete. And this is how you can simply do it. So thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments. And have a great day and goodbye.